What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Google Calendar to schedule your appointment. So here Google Calendar just recently added a new feature to add your appointment times. So I can here click on appointment time and I can open the booking page here to book an appointment. So you'll send this to your clients and they can book an appointment here. Let's say I want to book an appointment at 10 a.m. I'll just click and then I'll fill in my details and then I can book this appointment. However, if you don't have this set up ready, just go to any day of the week and just select add an event. Let's say appointment. Okay, and add time here. Let's add a time. It's at 9:30 p.m. to 10:30. And you can add guests or like collaborators, people who are going to be with you or are going to attend this appointment, and you can add a Google Meet link if you want to, and then save the appointment. And you can choose if it's an event or task. Of course, this is an event. And once you save it here, the appointment is now created. And if I click on it, I can edit all the details if I want to, and I can share it and send it to the people who are attending the appointment itself.